Okay, so we're going to talk through problem number 1 with Newton-Raphson. There are 3 problems that we're going to talk about, and this question sort of highlights one of those problems. So the first part is show that the equation, this, has a root between 2 and 3. So we're going to use change of sign. So we're going to let f of x equal x to the power 4, take 4x cubed, take 7.5x squared, plus 50x, take 55. So we're going to substitute in 2. Okay, so we've got 2 to the power of 4, take away 4 lots of 2 to the power of 3, take away 7.5 lots of 2 squared, plus 50 lots of 2, take away 55, so you get negative 1, which is less than 0. And then we're going to find f of 3, so we're going to do the same again, but we're going to change everything for a 3. And we get a half, okay, which is greater than 0. So we can see there is a change of sign between x equals 2 and x equals 3, hence there is a root. Okay, obviously there's problems with change of sign as well, but this graph is continuous, okay, so we don't have that problem. And then our second part of the question is explain why x naught equals 2.5 is not a suitable value for a Newton-Raphson iteration. So remember, Newton-Raphson is x of n plus 1 equals x of n, take away f of xn divided by f prime of xn. Okay, so we've got our f of x, but if we wanted to find f prime of x, then we've got 4x cubed, take away 12x squared, take away 15x plus 50. Okay, it says explain why x naught equals 2.5 is not suitable. So if I was to substitute 2.5 into our f prime, okay, so 4 times 2.5 cubed, take away 12 times 2.5 squared, take away 15 times 2.5 plus 50, you get 0. Okay, so when we substitute in 2.5, we end up getting 0. So our initial equation, we would have x1 equals 2.5, take away f of 2.5, divided by, well, when we sub in 2.5 into f prime, we get 0. Okay, so I'm hoping that we can all see the problem with using 2.5 is this denominator is 0. Okay, so you just need to kind of write a statement saying that 2.5 is obviously a stationary point, okay, because our differential is equal to 0. So x equals 2.5 is a stationary point, hence the denominator of Newton-Raphson will be 0, meaning the process won't work. Okay.